Drawing walls and openings with progeCAD architecture. Welcome to progeCAD architecture, a BIM system for 3D architectural design in the DWG format. This video will guide you how to draw walls and openings in progeCAD architecture. Pressing F8, we activate Author to draw walls with right angles. From the Auto Build menu, we choose the command Wall, Outer Wall. Now we are setting the wall values, for example, choosing the color for 3D, the color for 2D, the material, and adjusting the height. Then we specify the first point, the second point by typing the length value from the keyboard, and with a mouse click we define the outer side of the wall, that is its width. Finally, the third point and the outer side. Instead of choosing the point, we can give the direction with the mouse and then type the length value. To close the wall, we choose the final point using the endpoint snap. Let's switch to a 3D view. From the menu Photo Pro, we choose Render Options to set OpenGL rendering mode. Now let's perform rendering. Go to Photo Pro, Render. Using the 3D Orbit tool, we can take a look at the model from various angles. To draw windows, we go to the Auto Build menu, Opening Window. We choose the type, specify its properties, for example the window height, the window sill height. You can also choose the layout of the label. Then we select the wall. Please note, progeCAD architecture uses the extremity of the wall nearest to the selected point as reference to place the window. We type 1 for the first point. It's the distance from the extremity of the wall to the window. The width of the window is specified by the second point. We're indicating the position of the label. From the menu Auto Build, we select Layers Management. Here we can hide all opening labels. Let's double-click the window to modify it. We're modifying the shutters, changing the percentage of the opening. progeCAD architecture parametric objects can be modified by double-clicking the object to display the Properties dialog, by dragging the extremities with the mouse, or using the Modify menu commands such as Copy, Move, Mirror, Array, and others. For example, let's copy the window with the Copy command and then modify the new window by double-clicking it and editing its properties. Let's take the Mirror command to copy the object on the other side of the building. We specify 2 points to define the mirror axis. Now we're changing the type of the door. Let's switch to a plan view and modify the dimension of the building using the Stretch command. We select the walls to be modified. We drag the mouse to indicate the direction and enter the value for extension from the keyboard. Now we perform rendering to visualize the state of the project. 3D drawing is very easy with progeCAD architecture. Download the trial version from progecad.com/en/architecture. In the next video, we'll continue talking about creating and modifying parametric objects.